In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Facebook from Google Play Store. We will go step by step, so even if this is your first Android app download, you can follow along easily. First, open the Google Play Store. Look for the Play Store icon on your home screen or in your app drawer. It looks like a small triangle in different colors. When you tap it, the main Play Store screen opens, showing suggested apps and a navigation bar at the bottom. If your screen looks similar with lots of app tiles and a search bar at the top, you are in the right place. Now tap the search bar at the very top of the screen. The keyboard appears from the bottom, and the search field becomes active with a blinking cursor. You might also see some recent searches or suggested keywords appear below the bar. This tells you the store is ready for you to type what you are looking for. Next, type Facebook into the search bar. Make sure you spell it as one word, Facebook, with no extra spaces or symbols. As you type, you should see suggestions appear underneath, usually with Facebook showing near the top of the list. You can either finish typing the full word and then tap the search key on your keyboard or tap the Facebook suggestion when it appears. From there, select Facebook by Meta Platforms Inc. This is very important for choosing the official app. On the results page, look for the one that has the familiar blue Facebook logo and the name Facebook, and underneath it says Meta Platforms Inc. You may see other apps with similar names, but only the one published by Meta Platforms Inc. is the official version. When you tap it, you go to the app details page. On the Facebook app page, tap Install. The Install button is usually green and near the top right area. Once you tap it, the button changes to show a progress indicator. You might see a small downloading line begin to fill, and the size of the app may be displayed underneath. This means the download has started. After that, wait for the download and installation to finish. The speed will depend on your internet connection. You will see the progress line move, first for downloading, then for installing. You do not need to do anything during this time. Just keep the Play Store open and avoid turning off your phone. When it is done, the button changes again and now shows Open instead of Install. Now tap Open. The Facebook app launches right away, and you will see the Facebook welcome screen with the logo at the top. You should also now find the Facebook icon in your app drawer, and often on your home screen as well, so you can open it directly next time without going through the Play Store. Finally, sign into your Facebook account or create a new account. If you already have an account, enter your email or phone and your password, then tap the Login button. If you are new, tap the button to create a new account and follow the on-screen steps to add your name, details, and a password. Once you complete this, you arrive at your Facebook home feed, which shows posts, stories, and shortcuts to features like groups and notifications. You have now downloaded Facebook from the Google Play Store and opened it ready to use your account. If this helped you get Facebook running, please give the video a quick thumbs up and subscribe if you would like more simple Android how-tos.